Dear students, so today we will perform lab number 3. So in the lab number 3, what we are going to do, we are going to display the dates in a different format, right? So since by default the format is for example, by default is like, days and month and then year, right? So but we will manipulate things and see that how we can like change in the different formats and display from the EMP table. So now we'll see what are the different requirements over there. There we have 7 questions and we will try to solve this question in Oracle Live SQL. So now see the first question says select the name. So we need to select the name and job and then hire date of the employees in department table 20. Okay, format the hire date using the a picture of like this one. So month would be first, day would be second, and the year would be the third one, right? So let's see how this works. Okay, now see the lab number 3, we have it. Yeah, so lab number 3 starts from here. So now this is from EMP, from EMP table where the department number is 20, right? So let's see. First let me display this one, the EMP table, so that you can see that what is inside EMP table. So this is our EMP table, right? So here in the last column, which is a foreign key in this one, so we have department number 30, 20 and 10. Okay, so these are different departments, but we are only interested, as per the questions, we are only interested in department number. Let me see what was department. Yeah, department number 20, right? So we will only check for department number 20, and we want to display the hire date as like this one. So month should be first and day should be second and year should be the third one. So let's see whether they give us similar way or a different way. Okay, now see over here. So the month is first, the day is second, and the year is this one. So you might say maybe this is the day. No, because if you see over here, so 19, so there are 12 months, so and this 19, so it means that this is the day, not the month, right? And similarly 23, it also depicts us that it is a day. And these are only for department number 20. That's why the number of rows are less, the tuples are less here. Now go for the second one. Use a picture to format a hire date on the query number 1, like this one, like in a different way. So now you see where here the requirement is given. Let's see how can we portray this requirements according to this code. So if you see over here, yeah, this is the code I have written. So I want things in this format, the date in this format. So now you see over here the date, the high date has been changed over here. So now you see over here according to this one. So in the next subsequent questions, they have some more requirements. Redo the query, and they say that I want in this format there should be a th inside it. So let's see with the th how it works. Same thing. I'm basically just to clarify you that I'm using a function, a built-in function in SQL, which is called to character or to char. Some people call it to char, or you can call as a to character. This is the function which is used in Oracle. So it will show you the format over here. So let me try this one. So here it has a, this is the different format we have it. Okay, now check for the next one. Yeah, here if you see over here, let's see the requirements over here. Then you need to list the hire date. Okay, you need to list the hire date the department of 20 employees in the employee format. So the next format would be, if you look at here, so the next format is this one. So let me run this one. This was on, so I give this format like it. Okay, so this is the alias. We give this name to the column, and they want as in the month. Okay, and then they want the dd, means like day. Okay, and then th with that one. Okay, and then they want like year, so the year is here. Okay, the day is here, and then they They need the timing, okay, PM, okay, so the timing is also here, the PM, AM and PM format. So we have the hours, so this is hours, we have it, okay, and the minutes, we have the minutes, and in the PM AM format, right? So see, we have AM over here, mostly AM are there, okay. Now we see over here, the next thing is they want us to show here, write your date of birth in this format, right? So now we will write our date of birth in this format by using the two character, this one. So let's suppose if someone date of birth is like, for example, mine is 83, so let's suppose I write my date of birth in a specific format, so I run it. Yeah, so this is like, the date of birth format. So the month is before, okay, and the date is here, and the year is over here, right? Okay, now after the date of birth, what I have, write your date of birth to appear like this one. Now they want different formatting. Okay, so so this function is very robust, so you can have uh, okay. Okay, so here in this one, I want to add that dual is a table, basically built-in table in Oracle, and it stores the system date and time. So it minus your date of birth from the system one. So maybe today is like, one, tomorrow if you run the same query, so it will add one more day in it and the time accordingly. So if I run this one, so now notice this table will change, okay. Okay, now you see over here my date of birth is in a different way. So this is someone, and let's suppose some student's date of birth, so it is in a different format. Okay, the last one is output the first day of the year like this one, okay, to appear like this one. So they have different requirements, so according to the requirements, if we apply this one, okay, and we take the system time, okay, and we mine, and for example to date, it minus the data from, okay. Yeah, now you see over here, now it like picks the data, the data from the dual table, and it minus it with the date you have provided it over here, right? So this date is very important, you need to provide accordingly, whether it's your date of birth, whether it's your hiring date. So it will tell you that how it will, like, show you that how you can present it, right? So here we got for this one two character, this is a function, and we have another function to date, right? So these two are functions, built-in function, you can use it according to your requirements. So thank you very much.